So Happy New Year. Today is January 1. I want to say Happy New Year. Happy New Year! I have to work. Good morning, guys. Today is December 2. It's 5:15 a.m. here in Malaysia. Breakfast starts at 7. My flight is at 12:35. It's my last day today. I'm going back to Minnesota tomorrow on December 3. Breakfast, it's only 6:30. Breakfast is at 7, so not quite ready. So I'm gonna go back to the Petronas Tower. Alright, there you go. Good morning. Here we are. Came early for that. The token, it looks like this one, so it's only 2.40 ringgit. There's 2 rides to get to the airport. The LRT, I'm going to KL Central, and after KL Central I have to ride another train, which is the Express. That's the one going to the airport. So platform number 1, that one. And platform number 2. So I'm here, and then I'm going here. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 stops.
Wish that I could stay.
Alright, guys. So this is KL Central.
Wish that I could stay. Wish that I could stay. Wish that I could stay.
Alright, I went on the wrong side, so I have to go that way, I guess.
Wish that I could stay. Wish that I could stay.
Going to the airport.
Our pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight. We can get back to.
We're too early, and there's no seat. And I decided I might need some coffee. So.
Any second we're all burned down.
14 hours in here. My flight to Minnesota will be tomorrow at 6 a.m. and there's only one flight per day. I see my bag right there. That is my bag. Got it. Use the restroom. I need to pee so bad. Changi Airport is so clean. Look at that. my childhood friend from Malabang Nanaw del Sur. Ang saman po, thank you. Nag-adi pag yung ka, oy.
Sure.
Gusto ko nga ito pag Terminal 4. Ha? Dili, kani daw. Ito, this is my second time in Singapore, but wala ka nung he was in the Philippines. Ikaw, gigutom ba ka?
Hindi, ako ikaw. Basta
Wala,
may dala kong kwarta.
Busog pa po eh. Nagka- This is where I'm going to check in later. To do a shout out. My daughter is here. It's 2 p.m. and I'm getting ready for work. See that? Yes. I work at the hospital and I am a nurse. That's first shout out to Robster 760. He's the first one to comment on my vlog 28. Fiona and Scott's Adventure. It's DJ Mature. Thank you. It's my travel channel. He would say to Valeria's amazing video. Thank you. Hello Mark's Life. Thank you then. It's Teddy Boy. Thank you. Boy, thank you. Yum Yum created. Oh, life is good. Thank you so much. You have
I could speak Philippine.
Like what?
Opo.
She said, "Oh, but what else do you know?" Filipino word. Hindi. You say, can you help me say thank you? Thank you for subscribing. If you have not subscribed yet, push that button and give it a thumbs. And what is next?
Big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up and
click the notifications bell.
Yes, turn on the notification bell. Okay. My thoughts and prayers to my friends' family